A series RC circuit is connected to an alternating voltage source. Consider two situations. First one is when capacitor is air-filled. Second condition is when capacitor is mica-filled. Basically, you have a dielectric. Here capacitance is C, here capacitance is KC. So we have here two scenarios. Resistance and the capacitor connected to an AC. Resistance and the capacitor connected to an AC. Resistance is same. Here it is C, here it is KC. The voltage source is Vs. This is fixed. Now, voltage across the capacitor in A is greater than B. Let's see that. So here, voltage is distributed in the ratio of R is to XC, if I'm not wrong. Right? So, voltage across the capacitor is given by XC by R plus XC into V. Or it can also be written as V by R by XC plus 1. This is the voltage across the capacitor. Now let's look in the first case. In the first case, XC is 1 by omega C. In the second case, XC is 1 by K omega C. So XC in A is greater than XC1 compared to B. If XC is great, I can say that VA is greater than VC based on this particular equation, isn't it? So if XC is greater, then R by XC is smaller. 1 plus a smaller number in the denominator will make it bigger. So voltage across the capacitor in A is greater than the voltage across the capacitor in B. That will make it as option as the right option.